What if you could earn money while you slept, ate, or spent time with your loved ones? What if you could create basic online revenue streams today that will continue to generate income in 26? We're dissecting the safest and most dependable affiliate marketing side projects you can launch right now in this video. We're only discussing tried and true, long-term strategies, so forget about the risky schemes. Why then are we already discussing 2026? Because now is the second best time to plant a tree. The first one was years ago. The side businesses that will prosper in 2026 are based on established and expanding trends, such as the use of AI tools, remote work, and an emphasis on financial independence. We're not following fleeting trends. To help you create a revenue stream that is genuinely future-proof, we are devoting our time to opportunities that are designed to endure. Now let's discuss the top 3 affiliate side projects that are appropriate and safe for 2026. Pick number 1 is financial tech and apps. Apps for financial technology are our top choice. This includes high-yield savings accounts, investing tools, and budgeting tools. This is a great place to start because it aligns well with the smart money management objective of our channel. Making educational videos that demonstrate how to use a particular app for investing or saving is simple. You get paid when viewers use your link to sign up. You create a steady source of income while also assisting them in bettering their financial situation. Pick number 2 is software, SaaS for creators. Software for creators is our second choice. Consider tools for email writing, thumbnail design, and video editing. They are essential for almost all creators, and the best part is that they typically offer monthly subscriptions. This implies that as long as the person you recommended continues to be a subscriber, you will be able to receive a small commission each month. You can promote them by merely demonstrating how you use the tool in your own workflow, and it's the ideal model for generating that consistent earn while you sleep income. Pick number 3 is online education platforms. Promoting online learning platforms is our third lucrative side business. This includes websites that provide courses in everything from personal finance to marketing and coding. In order to progress in their careers or launch a side business, people are constantly looking to pick up new skills. You assist your audience in making an investment in themselves by endorsing a platform that you believe in. You receive a commission when they use your link to enroll in a course. You're not merely selling a product, you're giving them access to their future, which fosters a great deal of trust and generates steady revenue for you. How to start? It's easier than you might think to get started. Just take these 3 easy steps. Step 1 is choose your niche and platform. The first thing you should do is to avoid making things too complicated. Since personal finance is the focus of this channel, you have already selected your niche. And YouTube is your platform right here. You don't have to create a brand new blog or social media profile from scratch. Begin by producing content for your existing audience. This speeds up and simplifies the entire process. Step 2 is find reputable programs. Finding the appropriate programs to join is the next step. Using large, reputable affiliate networks like Shari's Sale or Impact is the safest option. They collaborate with thousands of renowned businesses. Another option is to just look up a product name affiliate program online. Programs from businesses you already know and trust should always be chosen. This ensures your audience is safe and your recommendations are sincere. Step 3 is create value-first content. Create your content now, but keep in mind that your purpose is to assist, not to sell. Create a video that addresses an issue. For instance, write a review of a course that benefited you or a tutorial explaining how to use a budgeting app. Prioritize providing genuine value. You can then organically include your affiliate link at the end as a useful resource to help them get started. Sales and trust will follow when you put your attention on helping. Let's quickly review. By 2026, concentrate on these 3 secure areas to develop a future-proof income: online education, software for creators, and financial tech apps. Don't forget to choose trustworthy programs. Start with your own channel and always start with helpful content. Building a system that benefits you in the long run, not just making a quick sale, is the aim. Please subscribe to Monetive and enable notifications if this video was useful. One wise move at a time, I'm here to assist you in creating your financial future.